Oh yeah, can't spray Mac Fix Pluck with Max Fix Pluck. Can't spray Max Fix Plus. Mac. Can't spray Mac Fix Plus with gloves on. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I have to be somewhere early this morning, and if you guys aren't aware, I have a sunroom that I film in. It's a sunroom slash closet. You can see my dresser there, slash makeup room slash mommy's quiet time away from 3 kids area slash YouTube space. So it's kind of an all-encompassing room. The only bad thing about this is it does not have its own heating system or its own AC system. So in the winter, when it's 18 degrees outside, I can feel that in here. But in the summer, also, when it is 95 degrees outside, I can also feel that. And it's hot. I have to be somewhere very soon, so I don't have time to do like a tutorial. We're just gonna get ready with me in the freezing cold. Mama Shark. Obviously the first thing we need is foundation. So, along with a freezing cold sunroom, my glass bottles of foundation are also freezing cold. So let's put freezing cold foundation on my face. With also a freezing cold, fluffy, Real Techniques beauty sponge. I got this for Christmas. I'm slightly warm right now. Okay, there we go. What did everyone get for Christmas? What was your favorite Christmas present? Did you guys get lots of makeup? Did you guys make any New Year's resolutions? Because mine is to be more ambitious and bold with my eyeshadow looks. I really want to focus on brighter, bolder, more colorful looks. So, oh no, I got foundation on my jacket! Well, I look officially dead right now. Vampire Kira. I don't know if anyone has like a garden, kind of green thumb type of thing, but does anyone get excited about growing herbs and plants and vegetables? Or is it just me because I'm an old lady? Because honestly, that is all I've been looking forward to, is getting a garden this year. I have chickens. Now I just need a garden. Oh my gosh, has anyone ever tried to do makeup with a big fur hat on? By the way, faux fur, if anyone's wondering. Just gonna throw that out there. All right, we're getting into the eye look, you guys. So, I am using the KYLIE Burgundy palette if anyone's interested. Here is the palette I am using today. Has anyone ever tried to put on eyeshadow with gloves on? Is this a thing? Challenge. Get ready outside in the snow. Oddly enough, it's freezing here, but every time it's freezing, not one drop of precipitation. Not one. Oh yeah, I have absolutely no blending skills with these gloves on. Holy pigmented! KYLIE, where'd you come from? Okay. Okay. That's intense. You guys can check out my first impressions of a KYLIE palette. Excuse my bad attitude, that entire video. Wow, this is pigmented! Well, that escalated quickly. I want you guys to embrace my pain as I get ready in the freezing cold. You're welcome. I have like 0 blending capabilities with these gloves on. I mean, I wasn't planning on this being smoky, but that's how it's turning out. So we're just going full-blown smoky with this because, I mean, I kind of look like I have a contagious disease right now. Does anyone go, I mean, I make this a point. Does anyone go and get all of the Christmas stuff when it's on sale after Christmas for the next year? Does anyone else do that, or is that just me? Oh my gosh, because everything is like 75% off. It's so cheap. I live for Christmas sales. All right, this is actually blending in together really nicely, and I'm really impressed with this palette as opposed to the Chill Baby palette, because that one just was not working. This one's beautiful. Oh my god, what do I do if I have some in my eye? I gotta take my glove off. It's a hair of death. Ugh. When your brush gets stuck in your shirt. Do you remember my New Year's resolution? Go bold or go home. I guess we're just gonna go ahead and go bold. Doing red all over the eyelid. And I went there. I just did that. Red. Oh my gosh, these are blending so nicely. I don't even know what to say right now. Like, these are blending so beautifully. Kylie, I'm sorry. Your first impression sucked. But this second impression, you are making a comeback. Girl. I think I like this burgundy palette. And I don't really wear a lot of reds or cranberry colors because I feel like it kind of makes me look ill. And I don't know. Am I looking ill to you guys? But either way, I'm liking the way that these are performing. Ooh, this is blending so nice. I am impressed. Do I look sick, you guys? Does this make me look sick? Asking for a friend. Asking for an honest opinion. Alright, I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do the gold now. Oh, wow. This is pretty. I mean, I like that. I'm not even mad. Oh dear. I wonder if I have to use my fingertips for this. Uh-oh. Maybe? Maybe. Maybe. My mind is almost completely changed about a KYLIE product. Sparkles are the best thing in the world. Sparkles! Alright, cool. We've got that on. I mean, it looks kind of decent for having to do it with gloves on. I mean, I'm not even mad. I think it looks kind of pretty. We just went ahead and smoked it way out. That's what we're doing. We're going full, almost on the verge of death here today. That's what we're doing. I am not winging this out. No. No wing today. Just a basic, boring, I can't do this eyeline. Oh, yeah. There, it's on the wand, and now it's on my hat. I'm priming my hat as well. You guys, my winter hat is trying to be Elvis Presley here. Look at that. Right there. Okay, bye. Blush. Ugh. I got it open. We're good. Oh, that slipped right out. I mean, that's kind of exaggerated, but now I match my environment. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. Alright, let's do highlighter. Ooh, I'm going in with my new highlighter today that I got for Christmas. Becca Light Chaser in Pearl Flashes Gold. I would swatch this on my hand for you, but we're just gonna put it straight on my face. Whoa, Becca. That's way too dark. Maybe I'll just keep the hat on today. All right, you guys, there you go. I did this in the freezing cold. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did not enjoy putting it on in this darn sunroom, but that's okay. It's all for you guys. So, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh! I need to exfoliate my entire face now. Oh yeah, can't spray Mac Fix Pluck with Max Fix Pluck? Can't spray Max Fix Plus. Can't spray Mac Fix Plus with gloves on. It's you know what I'm talking about.